and I'm always trying to motivate people to use a little bit less money, because I think the average price here has been around 10 euro a bottle, which in Finland, it's a quite entry level wine still, because we have high tax.
Yeah.
So it's quite entry level wine you get with 10 euros. So and if you go to a really nice bar here in Helsinki, the gin and tonic might cost 12 or 15 euros. So
Wow.
so I'm always telling to my friends, so when you buy a bottle of wine to your home, you pay 10 euros, but still you're willing to spend 1.5 times that amount of money for a cocktail, or when you go to restaurant, people are willing to pay for the wine. So I'm always saying that you should spend 50% of what you're willing to spend in restaurant, because in Finland many restaurants, they have quite high margins on the wine, so they multiply with 3 or 4 or even 5 here. So the wines are quite expensive in restaurants. So I'm always saying to my friends that pay at least 50% that you would be willing to pay in restaurant. So then if people would pay 20 euro instead of 10 euro for their wine, the quality is so much more, because there are a lot of fixed costs. There is the bottle, there is the transportation, there is the alcohol tax, there is the label.
Of course.
So those are fixed. So then if you increase your price from 10 to even 15 euro, there is, like, after all the taxes and calculations, there is probably 3 euros more for the winemaker to use to the raw material. And if in 10 euro wine, the raw material cost 1 euro per kilo, and then you get 3 euro more budget, you get 4 times the money
Exactly.
for the raw material. And actually you as a consumer only update 50%, but the quality update is 400%. And I think for me, I think that is for me pretty good deal.
Exactly.
If you think so. So this is why I'm always saying that I think don't go for the entry level. Go put a little bit extra, pay. Think if you're going out, how much you would be willing to spend if you buy wine to home, and then you can have really wines that tell a story of some winemaker. They are some of the best examples of the regions you're drinking, though, so they are really talking to you instead of being. Because if you buy below 10 euro, I think every wine is same. They are well made, clean, but that's
nothing,
it. But then,
nothing special.
Exactly, but then if you're shopping around 20 euro or more, then you will start to have terroir, personalities behind, older vineyards, older wines, more details in the winemaking, and more care for the grapes and everything. So then you will have personality, and then you will understand much better.
Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section, and see you in the next one.